Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer consent records into a no-code database. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, gather all your consent records that need to be transferred. Next, choose a no-code database platform that best suits your needs. Once you have selected a platform, create a free account if necessary. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard of your chosen platform. Locate the option for creating a new database or collection. Click on that option to start setting up your new database. Define the structure of your database by adding relevant fields. Common fields for consent records might include name, email, consent date, and document type. Make sure to set the appropriate data type for each field to ensure data integrity. Once your fields are set, save the database structure. Now, it's time to prepare your consent records for import. If your records are in a spreadsheet, organize them to match the database fields. Ensure that each column corresponds to the fields you created. Once organized, export the spreadsheet as a CSV file. Return to your database platform and find the import feature. Upload your CSV file according to the platform's specific instructions. During the upload process, map the CSV columns to the database fields. This is crucial for ensuring that data is transferred correctly. After mapping is complete, initiate the import process. Allow the system to process the data and check for any errors. Once the import is finished, review the records to confirm accuracy. If there are any discrepancies, correct them within the database interface. Lastly, implement any necessary security measures to protect the consent records. Congratulations, you've now successfully transferred consent records into a no-code database. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.